All right, honey, you ready?
Couldn't we just buy some lotto tickets or something? I mean, the jackpot on the Mega Player is $50 million.
You know we don't have a snowball's chance of winning that. We can't keep hoping for a lucky break. We have to make our own. This is our break, honey. I know it is.
Okay. I guess I'm ready.
I'm serious, sweetie. You have to be committed to this or it won't work.
Just tell me the plan one more time.
It's simple. We'll go in just like we've done 1,000 times. We order a full meal, including some of them chicken things. And when the moment is right, I'll get out the mouse and slip it into the box. All you have to do is take it out and put a tiny little bite in it. After that, it's easy street. We scream like we just saw a ghost and everyone will rush over. They'll see there was a mouse in our food. We'll get us one of them fancy lawyers, the kind that advertise on the TV. He'll make the jury think we were really traumatized. They'll feel so bad for us, they'll give us whatever we ask for, and we'll be rich. Filthy, stinking, wiping ourselves with hundreds rich.
Why am I the one that has to bite into the mouse?
Honey, we're doing this together. You're just more believable. Come on, sweetheart. I break my back every day so you have everything you need. All I'm asking for is one thing. One little bite. And we won't have to worry anymore. We'll be set.
I'll do it for us.
All right, honey. Let's go get them.
Welcome to Flippies. Would you like to try our new chicken clumps for only $1.49?
Well, actually, that sounds delicious. Why don't we get an order of those?
I'll grab us a table.
Okay, hon. I got your orange, honey. They didn't have that. Now remember, honey, act normal. You know, I'm really excited about this new lease on life. I think we're gonna make it after all, honey. I think I'm gonna get me a new truck, you know, with a tow rig, mud flaps, maybe some of them giant army tires.
Sounds nice.
Yeah, believe it. I'll have to take up 3 parking spaces. Ha! Oh, man. Yeah, maybe I'll throw some wicked flames on it, you know? Make it look like a hot rod.
That'll be real pretty.
Yeah, we're on the fast track, honey. We're on the final lap, headed for that checkered flag. Okay, honey, let's do it. For us, right?
All right, I'm ready. I just want to get this over with.
Well, good. That's what I want to hear. Go ahead then.
Well, get it out. I'm not gonna wait forever.
I did.
Where?
I already put it in the box.
What?
Where is it?
That's what I would like to know.
Did you eat it?
No! Oh, no. Oh, God. I ate it. I actually ate it?
You ate the evidence? How could you not see it?
You said you were gonna put it in at the table.
I said when the time was right. And I found the right time over at the drink machine.
Oh, God, I actually ate it. Oh,
Is anything wrong, ma'am?
Yes.
No. Look, her cat passed away, and they were very close, all right? Sweetie, calm down. It's okay. It's all right.
Oh, there's a bug in my food. Somebody put a roach in my food.
What?
I demand an explanation for
Ma'am,
this.
sir, please.
Someone's gonna pay for this.
Please, calm down.
We'll sue.
Don't raise your voice. There's nothing to get excited about, okay? I'll take care of this.
I'm in such pain and suffering.
Well, what do you say we get some lotto tickets?